All right, getting ready to pack up the car. I just wanted to show you some of the stuff. I know I'm probably missing some things, but here's some of the stuff I have to pack into the car. And I'm sure there's more. Once my wife gets home, I'm sure I'm missing something. I gotta be missing something. I'm gonna put this in the car and hopefully not break too much of a sweat. Here, somehow during the recording the audio went away, so you see me talking to the camera and nothing's coming out. But right here I'm showing the back of the car. I was able to put a lot of stuff in the back, as you saw, and still had room for actually my wife's work bag that she had with her, so we were able to take that as well. So you see there's a lot of room in the trunk. Also in the front I was able to put my book bag and my son's bag. Thought it was kind of funny that pretty much everything in the back is for the girls and just 2 book bags up front for the boys. I guess that's the way guys pack. But anyway, I was able to fit quite a bit in the car. A full thing of water was able to be in the back. I'm gonna have a video tomorrow going over the trip with the 4 of us in the car, along with all of our belongings for the weekend, how the trip went, and supercharging and all that kind of stuff. So this was just a quick little video to show, to going over some of the stuff you can fit in and getting ready for the trip. Unfortunately, the audio got cut out. So see you guys tomorrow.